Imagine a world where your income potential is limitless, powered by the sophistication of artificial intelligence. This is not some far-off sci-fi fantasy, but the reality we are living in today. AI, or artificial intelligence, is reshaping industries, transforming processes, and redefining how we generate income. From healthcare to finance, entertainment to e-commerce, AI's influence is far-reaching and profound. The transformative power of AI lies in its ability to analyze data, learn from it, and make decisions. This ability is creating new avenues for income generation. It's enabling entrepreneurs to automate processes, optimize operations, and uncover new opportunities. It's empowering investors to make data-driven decisions and maximize returns. It's allowing creators to generate content at scale and marketers to reach audiences in ways never before possible. AI isn't just the future, it's the present, and it's opening doors to income opportunities like never before. Entrepreneurs around the globe are harnessing the power of AI to build successful ventures and generate substantial income. Indeed, the rise of AI entrepreneurship is a thrilling narrative of innovation, creativity, and yes, lucrative opportunities. The world of business is changing, and AI is at the helm. It's as if we've stepped into a sci-fi novella, but this is reality. A reality where artificial intelligence is not just a sidekick, but a co-creator, a partner in growth, and a catalyst for success. Let's consider the case of OpenAI, a trailblazer in the AI entrepreneurship landscape. Founded in December 2015, it started as a non-profit artificial intelligence research lab. Fast forward to today, and it's a for-profit entity with an impact far beyond research. Its AI models have been used in a multitude of applications, from writing assistants to content moderation. Most notably, it's the brain behind GPT-3, the language prediction model that's been making waves in the tech world. And then there's DeepMind, an AI venture that Google acquired for a cool $500 million. DeepMind's claim to fame lies in its AI's ability to learn and adapt, much like a human brain. It has produced AI systems capable of mastering complex games like chess and Go, and even solving protein folding problems, a feat that has profound implications for drug discovery and disease understanding. These companies are not outliers. They are the vanguard of a new breed of entrepreneurs who are leveraging AI to disrupt industries, create value, and yes, generate significant income. They're using AI to build smarter products, deliver better services, and reshape the world as we know it. So you see, AI is not just about robots and self-driving cars, it's about creating solutions that matter, solutions that make a difference. It's about using this powerful tool to redefine what's possible, to push boundaries, and to chart new territories. These success stories demonstrate the immense potential of AI in entrepreneurship. They show us that with AI, we're not just building businesses, we're shaping the future. The stock market, a playground for moneymakers, is experiencing a revolution brought about by AI. In the world of stock trading, speed and accuracy are of the essence. Traditional methods of monitoring the market, analyzing trends, and predicting future movements are time-consuming and prone to human error. But what if there was a more efficient way? Enter artificial intelligence. AI's ability to rapidly analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions based on patterns and trends is transforming the way we trade stocks. AI-powered trading platforms use machine learning algorithms to predict market trends and execute trades at lightning-fast speeds. These platforms can analyze thousands of market parameters simultaneously, something that would be impossible for a human trader. Let's take Alpaca, a successful AI-powered trading platform, as an example. Alpaca uses AI to analyze market data in real time and makes buying or selling decisions based on this analysis. It's not just about speed, though. Alpaca also uses AI to manage risk, ensuring that trades are only made when the potential for profit outweighs the risk of loss. This level of precision and speed is only possible thanks to AI. But it's not just about making trading faster and more efficient. AI is also making stock trading more accessible. With AI-powered trading platforms, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to make informed trading decisions. These platforms can provide insights and recommendations based on your individual trading style and risk tolerance, helping you to make smarter investment decisions. The use of AI in the stock market is still in its early stages, but the potential is enormous. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated trading platforms that can analyze and predict market trends with unprecedented accuracy. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, it's worth keeping an eye on this exciting development in the world of stock trading. After all, who wouldn't want to have a supercomputer on their side when navigating the unpredictable waters of the stock market? AI has the potential to make stock trading more accessible and profitable. E-commerce, the digital marketplace, is another domain where AI is making waves. This bustling online bazaar, bustling with transactions, thrives on data. And who better to navigate this sea of information than artificial intelligence? AI's profound impact on e-commerce can be seen in the way it personalizes shopping experiences. Ever wondered how online marketplaces seem to know precisely what you're looking for? That's AI, diligently working behind the scenes, analyzing your browsing habits, purchase history, and preferences. This personalized touch, powered by AI, keeps customers engaged and coming back for more. And for e-commerce entrepreneurs, this translates into increased sales and revenue. But AI doesn't stop at personalization. It ventures into the world of price optimization as well. AI algorithms can dynamically adjust prices based on demand, competition, and other market factors. This ensures that businesses remain competitive, maximizing their profits while providing value to customers. AI is also instrumental in managing inventory. By analyzing sales patterns and trends, AI can predict future demand, helping businesses to maintain optimal inventory levels. This reduces the risk of stockouts or overstocking, saving businesses money and enhancing customer satisfaction. Now let's dive into a case study. Amazon, the e-commerce behemoth. Amazon leverages AI in numerous ways, from its recommendation engine to its anticipatory shipping model. The company's use of AI to personalize shopping experiences and optimize operations has played a pivotal role in its success. AI's role in e-commerce goes beyond these examples. It's used in customer service through chatbots that provide instant support. It's used in fraud detection, protecting businesses and customers alike. And it's used in marketing, helping businesses to target their advertising efforts more effectively. In essence, AI is revolutionizing e-commerce. It's making online shopping more personalized, efficient, and secure. It's helping businesses to streamline their operations, optimize their pricing, and make smarter decisions. And for entrepreneurs, it's opening up new avenues for income generation. AI is redefining e-commerce, opening up new avenues for income generation. Unleash your creativity and let AI be your muse. Welcome to the new age of content creation, where artificial intelligence meets human creativity, sparking a revolution in the way we write, compose music, create art, and more. Imagine having a virtual partner that never tires, never runs out of ideas, and can generate content at lightning speed. That's what AI brings to the table. Take writing, for instance. AI is now capable of generating content that is indistinguishable from human written text. It can write blog posts, scripts, even books, and do so at a pace no human could match. It's like having a tireless writer on your team, ready to churn out content around the clock. And it's not just about quantity, but quality too. AI algorithms are increasingly sophisticated, able to mimic human styles and voices, and even inject a bit of creativity into their work. They're not just regurgitating facts, they're telling stories. One of the shining examples of this is OpenAI's GPT-3, a language prediction model that can generate human-like text. It's been used to write articles, create poetry, and even draft emails. It's a tool that's not replacing human writers, but empowering them, allowing them to produce more and better content. But it's not just writing. AI is also making waves in music and art. There are now AI tools that can compose music, generate unique pieces of art, and even create entire video games. These tools are opening up new opportunities for creators, allowing them to experiment with new styles and techniques, and produce content like never before. The implications of this are huge. With AI, creators can generate more content in less time and often at a higher quality. This means they can reach more people, grow their audiences faster, and ultimately generate more income. And the best part? These tools are becoming increasingly accessible. You don't need to be a tech genius to use them. All you need is a bit of creativity and a willingness to embrace the new. AI is revolutionizing content creation and, in the process, creating new income opportunities. In the digital age, marketing has found a powerful ally in AI. A resounding truth that has revolutionized the way we approach marketing strategies today. Let's delve into how AI is reshaping the digital marketing landscape. AI's ability to process and interpret vast amounts of data has given birth to a new era of targeted advertising. Through machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze a user's online behavior, preferences, and interactions. This data is then used to create highly personalized ads that resonate with individual consumers. The result? Higher engagement rates, increased conversions, and a significant boost in ROI. Beyond targeted advertising, AI has also made strides in customer segmentation. With the ability to sift through demographic, psychographic, and behavioral data, AI can identify distinct customer groups with similar characteristics. This enables marketers to tailor their campaigns to the specific needs and wants of each segment. By doing so, businesses can ensure that their messaging hits the mark every time. Now let's talk about a real-world application of AI in digital marketing, Albert. Albert is an AI-powered digital marketing platform that drives results by making data-backed decisions in real time. It automates and optimizes multi-channel campaigns, freeing up marketers to focus on strategy and creative work. Albert's success stories are a testament to the power of AI in boosting marketing efficiency and profitability. For instance, Dole Asia saw a 40% increase in sales and a 50% reduction in cost per acquisition, all thanks to Albert's AI capabilities. In conclusion, AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer in digital marketing. It's redefining the way we understand and reach our consumers. It's making marketing more precise, personal, and powerful. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, so too will its impact on digital marketing. With AI, digital marketing is becoming more efficient and profitable. And that, my friends, is the power of AI in your marketing arsenal. The potential of AI is vast and waiting to be tapped into. Imagine a world where you no longer have to perform tedious tasks. Instead, you could delegate them to an AI, freeing up your time and energy to focus on what truly matters. This isn't just a distant dream, it's a reality that's unfolding right now. AI is not just about robots and self-driving cars. It's a tool that can be harnessed to improve efficiency, create value, and yes, generate income. The key to unlocking this potential is understanding how AI works and how it can be applied in different contexts. Learning about AI doesn't have to be daunting. There are countless resources available online, from free courses to paid certifications that cover everything from the basics of AI to more advanced topics. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer a wide range of courses, many of which are taught by experts in the field. Books such as Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach, and Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow provide comprehensive introductions to the subject. Once you've gained a basic understanding of AI, you can start exploring the ways it can be applied. Maybe you're interested in using AI to analyze stock market trends, or perhaps you want to leverage its power to optimize your e-commerce business. From content creation to digital marketing, the possibilities are virtually endless. Remember, the journey into AI doesn't have to be a solo venture. There are communities of AI enthusiasts and professionals out there who are more than willing to share their knowledge and experiences. Websites like Kaggle and forums like Reddit's R Machine Learning are great places to connect with others and learn from their insights. The world of AI is full of opportunities. It's not just about using AI to generate income, but also about using it to create value and make a difference. So don't wait any longer. It's time to embark on the journey and unlock the potential of AI in generating income. The power of AI in generating income is undeniable. We've journeyed through an array of avenues today, each showcasing the incredible potential of artificial intelligence in wealth creation. It's a brave new world out there, and it's clear that those who adapt and embrace AI will be the ones to reap the rewards. Let's take a moment to revisit our adventure. We delved into the rise of AI entrepreneurs, individuals who are reshaping the business landscape by leveraging AI's capabilities, turning data into decisions, and chaos into order. The future of entrepreneurship is, without a doubt, intertwined with AI, and it's a thrilling prospect. We then explored the profound impact AI has on the stock market, where algorithms and machine learning are being used to predict market trends and make smarter financial decisions. We're standing at the precipice of a revolution, with AI taking the guesswork out of investing, making it more accessible and less risky for everyone. Our journey then led us to the realm of e-commerce, where AI is transforming the way we buy and sell. From personalized shopping experiences to efficient supply chain management, AI is changing the game, making it an exciting time to be a part of this industry. We also saw how AI is revolutionizing content creation, bringing new levels of creativity and efficiency to the table, making the impossible possible. And in the realm of digital marketing, AI is providing unprecedented insights, enabling marketers to reach their audience like never before. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, it's clear that the potential of AI is immense. It's not just about making money, it's about reshaping industries, redefining boundaries, and reimagining what's possible. It's about creating a world where technology and human ingenuity work hand in hand to create unprecedented opportunities. Harness the power of AI and let it propel you towards financial success.
Remember, together we can explore the power of AI and shape a better future. We're standing on the brink of a technological revolution, and we invite you to join us as we step into the future. So don't forget to subscribe and join us on this exciting journey. Be a part of the conversation, share your thoughts, and let's shape the future of AI together.